These are my Odyssey power ends. Pretty good. Have them right now. ODI ST grips. I don't like the super soft ones because they wear out pretty quick, so I don't know. Sabrosa Noster bars and 875 rise with like 28.5 width, I think. So. I don't know. Federal Love stem. It's like a Mark Love signature stem from Federal. Federal headset. This Federal Anthony Perrin frame. It wasn't trans brown, but I wore it like 2 weeks ago, no, like a week ago. I don't know, about a week ago. A Clap Stevie Churchill Forks, like 32mm offset, something. I don't know. I don't really care about nose manuals too much. Colt Vans tyres. I got them like yesterday. I think it was like yesterday. I don't know. They're wide and sticky. What's it? Squeaky. I run them at 60 and they still pretty squeak, so they're alright. G-Sport rib cage rims on both. Pretty nice. All the other rims I've had, I've literally fucked them like quite easily, so I don't know. These ones are good. Daily grind up guards. 2 on the front. They're sitting, they're standing, Stormzy. I'm not. They're Cinema VX front hub. I've had that for like forever and it's just chilling. Animal butcher pegs, all around. They're like 4 inches, I don't know. They're cool. I didn't want to get plastic pegs at first because I didn't want them to wear down. But if you don't fucking grind in New York on concrete ledges, then you're fine. Metal pegs are gay. Yeah, all about sliding, not grinding. Obviously twisted pedals, had them, like, well, these wear out pretty quick, but I like them so I get them all the time. Federal vice cranks, like 24mm axle or something, with the bottom bracket it came with it, so there's not really much to say about that, it's chill as well. Primo solid sprocket, it's cool, it's alright. Shadow chain, like V2, it was black at some point. It's not anymore. Market seat, I've now got it 2 days ago. I had it before and it was cushy. It's just a seat. Primo Free Mix Free Coaster, but this one's fucked up somehow. It's got like bare shape and I was going to get a new one, but it's alright. And I run the one blue dust cap.